So after I got done making the block for week 11, I started thinking, what can I do with these extra pieces? I know some of you don't want to make the same block, so I started playing around with different layouts, and with a little help of technology, there's some different layouts that I'm going to show to you on this video. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm not going to teach you how to construct the block or how to sew the blocks together. I'm just going to basically show you some different layouts of what you can do with these extra pieces. Now, if you do need the instructions of how to actually sew the block together, check out the video of week 11 of the THC 5252 series. I'm going to give you some different ideas as to what you can do with these extra pieces. So we'll show you what I came up with. So I hope that this video has given you some inspiration as to the different types of layouts that you can do if you don't want to make a second end of day block. My personal favorite? It was the one with the pinwheel in the center. Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you liked. Or if you came up with a completely different design that I didn't feature here in this video, hey, take a picture and post it to the Facebook discussion group at Treasure Heart Creations or on Instagram with the hashtag THC5252. Well, that's it for now. See you in the next video and go out and create something.